Hi, we are the manufacturer of welding positioner in China. There are 1-ton robot welding positioner. Customized model for client. High precision processing table. Processing accuracy is 0.03 毫米. It can work together with welding robot. Now debugging is finished. Show you the basic operation. Overturn testing. Then rotation testing. Adopts wireless remote controller. Support customized extending function. More convenient operation. We use thicker material. Quality is assured. Welcome to contact us if you are interested in it.